So, finally got my nature-made ashwagandha. 60 gummies. Supposed to be very good for you, obviously, ashwagandha. I've had several products with a little bit in it with other stuff, but ashwagandha is proven pretty good. I'm going to open this up, sealed nicely, and these are your pills. There you go. And let me put it down and show you the size. Just to show you the size compared to a quarter. Right there. So, let me give a taste. Serving is one gummy twice daily. So, decent strawberry. Helps calm and reduce stress. That's a plus. And I'll be taking this for a couple of weeks just to see and show you how the reduction can be if it was reducing anything. All right.